when we signed up for this journey, we knew that we were going into the unknown. The parts of Africa that not everyone gets to see. Parts riddled with rugged landscapes and tricky terrains, but also the most beautiful we'd ever see. People and places, destinations with high expectations, to keep going and going, kilometer after kilometer. Let's go on a ride. There was a lot to love about Zambia. Just the car scene alone reminded us about the love people have for their machines, and taking care of it starts with the right oil. Now, making our way to Blantyre, Malawi, we were greeted with beauty.
Oh man, Lusaka, absolutely amazing. Definitely will go back. For now, however, we are in our 7th country, Blantyre, Malawi. I know absolutely nothing about it, but I will say one of the best things about being in Malawi right now is that Lance Woolridge is back. We've just picked him up at the airport. Lance, what's going on, bro?
What's up, guys? I missed you. It's good to be back on the trip with you guys.
And I wish you were there to meet Kambwali, our rally driver in Lusaka.
Such a fan of you.
He's such a fan, bro. But I want to know, bro, how was your race?
Came 4th in the qualifying, 5th in the race. Very, very happy, eh?
Look at this Kusheshe about to pass us here.
Oh. Ah, there we go.
100% celebrity.
There we go.
Coming into our 7th country, the Castrol GTX 10W40 has been keeping the Fortuner purring through heat, cold, humidity, high altitudes, and don't get me started on the roads. Watch the pothole! Watch the pothole!
Do you know what I love? And there's just all these plants for sale
You
all
know,
over
I
the road.
noticed this too.
And they're beautiful. They're all just ready and waiting. It's so cool.
Yeah, it's very like subtropical almost here. Eh? It's got a KZN feel.
Yeah, it's almost as green as KZN.
We're on our way to a tea plantation where we're meeting a travel influencer, Mervis. Did you know that Malawi is the 2nd largest tea exporter in Africa? Okay, we've just arrived at the tea plantation. We are here to meet Mervis, our travel influencer. Malawians are so warm, they're so friendly, these big, beautiful smiles. It is beautiful in the yellow jackets with the baskets. This is vast. Hey, there she is.
Hey,
Donovan,
Mervis.
lovely
Lance,
to meet you.
nice
Nice
to
to
meet
meet
you,
you.
Mervis. Nice to
Tabiso,
meet you,
nice to
Mervis.
meet you guys. Welcome to Malawi. Would you guys fancy a cup of tea?
Yes.
I mean, if you are making,
Ah,
let's go.
Yes,
Yes,
yes. And it's rude to say no in Malawi when somebody's
Oh, really?
inviting you for food. Yeah,
then we have
come
to.
in.
My name is Alice.
Lovely
I'll
to meet
take
you,
you
Alice.
through the tea testing session.
Thank you very much. Let's go.
Let's go.
Cool, let's go do it.
So on this table, I have different teas that we're processing here at Satema. One will be attracted to buy our tea just by looking at the leaf appearance. So we can brew these samples. These samples may be brewed for 3 minutes. And this is how I'll do it.
Tabiso's turn to sip.
Can I taste this with sugar?
Oh, come on. You knew
You cannot
that.
take it with sugar because the sugar will overpower all the taste that is in the cup.
A lot earthier. Fresher.
Mushroomy.
Zomba pearls. Green mint tea. Earl Grey in Blantyre. Who would have thought? Ooh. Red hibiscus.
Most Malawians, they like the black tea, the loose leaf.
Okay.
So they will put it in the teapot, let it boil, and they serve to the people. So people will come from a certain village going to a neighboring village just to get a cup of tea.
This has been an absolutely amazing experience. Thank you so much for this. So we've tasted all your wonderful teas here. Maybe we could go into one of the plantations and pluck some leaves as well and see what these look like in their original natural form.
Lamek will be able to take you through the plantation.
Fantastic. Let's go.
Let's go.
Now, if you thought tea tasting was a delicate practice, wait till you see what picking is like.
Okay, so we're out in the field with Lamek, who is actually going to show us how to pick these leaves properly.
We need to pick 2 leaves with a bud.
Two leaves at a time.
Yes.
So is it like that?
Like this?
Yes, like that.
No?
Okay.
Yes. That's a good one.
And then just toss. Okay.
Yeah.
And then just keep going as fast as possible.
Exactly.
Okay.
It's fine because you're gonna
Like this,
work
right?
the smallest plate.
Yeah, good ones.
That is a good one. That one is being turned into a tea. Somewhere in the world, somebody is going to be drinking tea from a leaf that I picked.
You have forever to go.
I know, all of us do.
I think I'm getting good at this.
No, don't quit your day job, Mambo.
Okay, not so fast. I will
Not
lead
so
the way.
bad.
Not easy, I'll tell you that much. My soft, fragile hands are
It's an
feeling
art.
the pain. No, there is an art to it. Lamek, you're going to tell us.
Wow. So these are the good ones. Take this one to the factory to harvest quality teas.
Now think about the hard work tea pickers put in day after day in order to fuel your morning cuppa. The same can be said about a good oil and the work it puts in to clean your engine so that you don't need to stop your daily grind.
Thank you so much for that experience.
You're welcome.
Wow, like never did I think I would even pick tea.
In Malawi.
Yes, in Malawi,
Yeah.
right?
When we talk about Malawi, we're the first African country to grow tea commercially.
As a travel influencer, to try and promote hidden gems, where did that come from?
I've always been an adventurer at heart, somebody curious, reading Tintin. My dad, he has all 24 books. He would write my name on it, sign it with my name. Oh, I love Malawi. You must love where you come from.
Yeah.
The grass is not greener on the other side. It's greener where you watered.
Oh yeah, and green it is in Malawi. We were blown away by its laid-back culture, friendliness, and rolling hills. And tea, of course.
I haven't cut my hair for a while. Do you know a spot?
I know just the right spot where you can get a haircut. They're good. Best in the country, no doubt.
Oh, they come out here looking fresh.
Oh, you're gonna look good.
I'd even get like a new name. What's a common
What are you
name
gonna
here?
be?
Blessing.
That's one. Gift.
Gift. I like gift.
We even have somebody whose name is Handsome.
That's the one I'm
First
going
name.
for.
No, you can't
Handsome.
give him
Handsome
Handsome
Goliath.
Don.
No,
That
you
is
can't
who
give
I
him.
am. Thank you so much. You heard it here first.
What can I do for you?
I want to walk out of here looking handsome.
All right, don't worry about that.
Let's see if your name will really be Handsome.
Ah, what?
You're already looking sharp, Donovan. No, it's coming nice.
Taking long, eh?
Yeah.
Well, Donovan's got a big head.
Hey? Hey?
Who's this guy?
Hey?
What's
Come on,
happening,
guys.
eh?
Look at that.
Come on, guys.
You look
You see?
good.
Handsome Don. Thank you so much. You really, really gave us an amazing time.
It was really nice to host you guys. Bye.
Take care. Bye, Mavis.
Malawi.
Learned a lot from Mervis,
Yeah.
who
it was
traveled with us.
fantastic
It was
meeting
really
her.
great
She
meeting her.
was a mountain of knowledge, an encyclopedia.
And then obviously I go into Tanzania looking super fresh.
Now, I cannot wait for Tanzania. It's going to be our 8th country. Can you believe it? Everywhere we've been so far has just opened our eyes to parts of Africa you don't necessarily get to see. From off the beaten track to making our own. Speaking of, goodbye, Malawi. Or, as they say, Tiwonana. I think I got that right.
What does that smell? Do you smell it?
Smells fishy. almost.
Actually, I got us some matemba, a wonderful snack here in Malawi. It's basically these little dried fish. Try it. It's lekker, bro. You want to try them?
Yeah, it's just under my nose.
It smells good in here.